Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Mega Beedrill from Pokemon. I know I feel like I know I did this video before, but it wasn't good, so I had to start over. So let's get started, shall we? Here's how you draw him. Here's the eye. Known fact, you guys, Mega Beedrill is like Beedrill's evolved form, and if they manage to give a Beedrill a fourth form, they should do the same thing with Butterfree. Oh wait, they did. They gave him Gigantamax Butterfree. Good for them. Anyways, when drawing Beedrill, you must start with his horns here. There we go. Try. Next up, here's his really big stinger. Here's his leg. You must draw it down here.
Hi?
Yeah, Dad?
Oh, where's Mom?
Backyard.
Oh, great.
Okay, next up, you just gotta draw the wing here. Hold on, just need to extend this out a little bit. I died. There we go. Okay. There's his stinger here. Okay, there we go. There's his stinger. I put up with this for a while, but I'm finally gonna get it done. Forgot his wing here. There we go. And lastly, you just gotta draw his stinger here. There we go. That's how you draw a Mega Beedrill. Pretty impressive, don't you think, you guys? So, what's your favorite Mega Evolved Pokemon? If you guys have a fan favorite, make sure to, leave a comment below, and I'll draw that as soon as possible. Just to let you guys know. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. So, see you soon.